Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another AliExpress beauty haul, and this time it's all about Rhode skin. I've been wanting to try the peptide lip tints for such a long time, so when I found them on AliExpress at a super affordable price, I knew I had to pick them up. I managed to get 4 different shades: Jelly Bean, Salty Tan, Peach Pit, and Espresso. And as always, I'll leave my discount codes in the description box down below so you can save some money if you want to grab them for yourself. Let's go through them one by one. The first shade is Jelly Bean, which is this really cute, playful pink. On the lips, it gives a light wash of color that instantly brightens your face without being overpowering. It feels like the perfect shade for everyday wear if you like something fresh and simple, but still noticeable. Then we have Salty Tan, which honestly has such an interesting story. Originally, Rhode released it as a limited edition summer shade, but people loved it so much that they decided to add it permanently to the lineup. And I can see why. It's a soft nude tone that looks super natural, almost like your lips but better. It's the kind of color that goes with literally any look, whether you're doing a natural makeup day or a full glam. Next is Peach Pit, which is such a warm and flattering shade. It's peachy, soft, and gives your lips that healthy, sun-kissed look. I think this one is perfect for spring and summer because it adds that little pop of color without being too bold. It's cheerful, light, and super wearable. And finally, there's Espresso. This is the deepest shade out of the 4 and definitely the boldest. It has this rich brown tone that immediately gives you a more dramatic look. I think it's perfect for fall and winter or for nights out when you want your lips to stand out. Even though it's darker, it still has that glossy finish, so it doesn't look too heavy or matte. It's still fresh, just with more depth. Now, the formula is honestly what makes these lip tints worth trying. They're called peptide lip tints because they're not just makeup, they're also skincare for your lips. The formula hydrates and replenishes, leaving them soft, smooth, and glossy. You're getting the comfort of a nourishing lip balm, the shine of a gloss, and a hint of color all in one product. The texture is lightweight and silky, which I love, because the one thing I can't stand in a lip product is stickiness. And these are definitely not sticky at all. What's even better is that Rhode recently improved the formula of the whole collection. It's the same nourishing gloss everyone already loved, but now the texture is smoother and more long-lasting. So the hydration and the shine don't fade too quickly, and your lips stay comfortable for hours. Each tube is 10 milliliters, which is a really good size, so they last a long time. For me, what makes these special is the versatility. You can wear them alone for a glossy, effortless look, or you can layer them on top of a lip liner or lipstick if you want more dimension. They adapt to different makeup styles, and because they're so comfortable, it's easy to reapply them throughout the day without even needing a mirror. Out of the 4, my current favorite has to be Salty Tan, just because it's so easy to wear every single day. But I've also been reaching for Espresso a lot more than I thought I would, because it adds such a nice bold touch without feeling heavy. Jelly Bean is my go-to when I want something playful, and Peach Pit is like my happy summer color. Honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. It really just depends on your mood and the vibe you're going for. Considering how much I paid on AliExpress, I feel like I got an amazing deal. The quality feels really good, the shades are beautiful, and the formula is impressive. I know Rhode is all about that glazed skin and lips aesthetic, and these lip tints definitely deliver on that promise. If you're curious and want to try them out, check the description for my discount codes. They're still valid and can help you save some money. And of course, let me know in the comments which one of these shades you'd be most interested in trying: Jelly Bean, Salty Tan, Peach Pit, or Espresso. If you've already tried Rhode products, I'd also love to hear your experience, because I feel like this brand has been getting more and more hype lately. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in this haul. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see more beauty content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Voi IFPLRHXO per Rhode un titolo YouTube plus descrizione plus tags SEO cum ho fatto con I GIs.